Mike Roland with the Roland Team, Platinum Real Estate Professionals, and today we're going to discuss phase 3 of the 4-part home buying process. If you haven't seen the other videos, go back, check them out, and then I'll be waiting for you when you get back. So, phase 3. Phase 3 is the offering phase. That is when we have identified the perfect home, the ideal home for you, and we're going to be writing an offer on it. That's when you want to get with your agent and discuss. And we just don't want to throw out random numbers, just ask for $10,000 off because it's a fun round number. We want to actually look at comps, the comparable sales, to identify what's a reasonable offer, what's a competitive offer in this market. Another important variable to consider is days on market. How long has the home been on the market? What we've found is about 3 weeks is that sweet spot. For the first 3 weeks, the sellers really dig their heels in. They're not too keen on negotiating on price. They're pretty firm where they're at and they won't take anything less, or sometimes they want even more. That is the market we're in right now. Then we'll go ahead and submit your offer. We'll go back and forth with the negotiations with the listing agent. The listing agent, of course, represents the seller. We, of course, as the buyer's agent, represent you and your best interests. And once we have agreed upon price and terms, that's what we call an executed contract. Congrats. And that wraps up phase 3 of the 4-step home buying process.